I recently got this email, and they're wanting to know how I produce some of my pictures for the videos. Of course, the hand drawing is easy enough. After I got done with drawing it, I scanned it in so I could get it into a video format. But the drawing I made in CorelDRAW. And I did that because I couldn't find one for this particular Model J. It's very, very similar to the Model D, but the Model D didn't have this detail about the plug that is on and in the Model J. Okay, here's the drawing in CorelDRAW, and now that I have the drawing in CorelDRAW, I can export it to many formats. And of course, change the size if I want to. Let's see here. Nope, don't save it. I am running Windows XP on my notebook, and if I want to capture something that's on my desktop and change it into a bitmap that will be put into the clipboard, which can be pasted into anything that can accept a bitmap picture, these are the keys that I use on my notebook: the function key, the alt key, and the print key. Now if I just use the function and print, I get the entire screen that's on my desktop. If I use the function alt and print, I just get what's in the open application that is on my desktop. Okay, here's how I do a screen capture. This is a PDF file here. I've also got Photoshop loaded up, and if I want to capture this screen on this laptop, I need to use the function key and then the print key. And now I'll bring up Photoshop. Okay, Control N to bring up a new window, and I don't care what I call it, the default's fine. Okay, now it's gone into the clipboard and has measured what's in there so it fits perfectly. Here's a Control V, and it will pop what's on the screen into that open window in Photoshop. Now of course most of the time all I'm interested in is the application. So let me close this. Don't save it. Now let's say that I want a close-up of this. Okay, of course we'll enlarge that. And make that bigger. And one more time. There we go. Now this time I'm going to do a function alt and then print. Now again, the printer is off. So now let me bring back Photoshop. Control N. Again, I don't care what the name is right now. And Control V to paste it in there. And now that I have it in Photoshop, I can do anything I want with it. And all I'm interested in is that one tube. And that's how I make my pictures. Now I just brought up Word, and you can do a Control V in that also, but of course it's not a photo editor. But it's there. If you are using a computer that does not have a function key, then the two keys that you would want to use would be the Alt key and the Print key. And keep in mind the printer is off. So if you want to capture the entire screen that's on your desktop, you just hit Print, and that will throw a bitmap of the screen into the clipboard. Or if you want just the application that is open on your desktop, then you hit Alt Print, and that will throw the bitmap of that application screen into the clipboard.